What you're about to see has never been built before in human history. A road. A real road. With lanes, markings, signs, and even a roundabout. Built 300 feet beneath the ocean. Not inside the water. Not on the ocean floor. Carved through. Solid rock. With the entire weight of the Norwegian Sea pressing down from above.
Meters, 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, 392 meters.
Control, this is Foreman Lee. We have a catastrophic flood 300 meters down. Send rescue immediately, we are evacuating.
It's salt water. It's connected to the ocean.
Keep that pressure steady, we are almost through. Watch the ceiling, a lot of seepage over here. We did it!
Yes, finally!
As demonstrated here, the 2-meter-deep refuge niche provides ample protection from high-speed tunnel traffic.
Maintain maximum thrust. We are almost there.
Watch the pressure on the south wall. Keep pushing forward.
We need at least 50 cubic meters per second to manage the pressure drop in this zone.
Are the shafts at section 4 sufficient?
Yes, the CFD model confirms it.
The compression test results came back at 50 MPa.
That meets the required density specs.
Clear the sparks on the left. All right, hold steady. Welding now.
It's exactly 250 meters.
Perfect. Let's start the installation. Hitting the joint now. See any leaks?
Looks good from here. The seal is holding.
Align the left side first. Got it. Pushing it up now.
Attention, this is a simulated emergency. Fire reported in Sector 4. Please evacuate immediately.
Radio check, this is tunnel depth 392. How do you read?
Loud and clear, we have full connectivity down here. Great job.
Engineering confirms alert sequence initiated.
Acknowledged. Monitor traffic flow in Sector 3. Looks clear.
It is finally done.
Yes, and it looks perfect. Now we can go to Bergen. Bring it down 20 centimeters. Easy now. Clear on the left. Keep it steady. All right, team, let's move to the next sector.
The drainage cover is secure and the lining is solid here.
All systems green on the tablet. More concrete on this side.
All right, easy now. Keep the vibrator steady.
Sequence engaged. Looks solid all the way through.
Confirmed. The path is clear.
Rona, this is the adaptation zone. We've designed the lighting in distinct 50-meter segments.
I hereby sign the completion certificate for the deepest point.
A historic day indeed. Congratulations to the whole team. And with this, the Randerburg Tunnel is officially open.
Used to take over 45 minutes. Today, the journey is smooth sailing in just 35.